how you can turn around your restaurant business with food delivery app. Ordering food online has become a trend that is to stay. Users for this platform are growing day by day. More than 60% of users order food delivery at least once a week. Another 31% use a food delivery app as much as twice a week. 87% of users use third-party food delivery services. But how can you use a food delivery application to give your restaurant business a push towards success? Well, it is no secret that mobile apps are becoming a new front of marketing and businesses in general. Since millions and millions of people are using their phones for everything, with a food delivery mobile app, you can capture their attention and turn it into revenue. Don't believe us? Well, stats don't lie. So let's look at them. The online food delivery industry has grown 300% in past years. Food delivery revenue is expected to reach $365 billion by 2030. Restaurants experienced a 50% rise in profit with help of mobile apps. It is clear that there is a lot of potential in the market and the user base is always growing in size. To exploit this, you need a food delivery app that appeases market demand and fulfills customer needs. For this, you need to team up with an experienced food delivery app development company that can turn your idea into reality. Now, you are all ready to enter the market with your own food delivery app and turn around your restaurant business for the better.